Time a bitch come around, you start bragging. Told her not to sock up that man, she toe tagged him. Blast him, walked off and started laughing. Just because you matched the person karma was after. You bastard, ain't nobody tell you to keep flexing. You sent yourself up by not following directions. I'm in a session, 45 minutes in heaven. Don't ask if I get high, cause it ain't no question. Learned my lesson, killed him, took his last breath. Got away with it like the people making cigarettes. That's murder, it's 9/11, you get the message. He ran and died behind the wheel like he started texting. I'm on the road to success, can't nobody catch me. I'm so far, I parked the car and started resting. I'm investing in myself, that's how I'm coming. So one day I expect to see a lot of money. It's nothing but dedication, I gotta grind so I can stay straight on the paper like ink lines. That's fine, it is like a straight dime. He said watch me murder him just to kill time, but I'm lying, not being honest, he should tell the truth. These niggas working they own one so they don't shoot. Who can you trust when you make that move? Look around, tell me who all in your group. Dude, and them niggas you be fucking with, you said he didn't just because you ain't see his wire. It's in the phone that he owns so it makes him wireless. Can you hear me now? Ah, you pussies. I'm gonna go back in on these niggas. Verizon, I'm at the end if you make it. And Bison, king of the jungle, I'm the truth so I'm lying. I went to school just to turn in my assignments and tell a bitch I wanted to fuck through just science. Keep climbing, eventually I'll make it to the top. If I keep rhyming, I go platinum when the album drop. That's hot. Cool me down, bitch, and let me breathe. It's gonna be hard, cause right now I'm the hottest thing. Smoking, and all these hoes want it, so they gon' catch it. All I gotta do is throw it, and they going. I beat it up in that order. My dick get me out of more shit than a lawyer. Very important to crack a cookie and read your fortune. I've been hurting so long, feel like I got torture. Done recording, I just finished up my new shit. Might give you a sample and let you little niggas hear it. I'm fearless.